Hey there, it's Laurence Bradford from Learn to Code with Me, and here are 4 pieces of advice for those teaching themselves how to code. Practice for at least 25 minutes a day, every day. When I first was starting to teach myself how to code, I had a calendar appointment every day at the same time for 25 minutes. And I would work on whatever I was doing at the time. Maybe it was going through a book. Maybe it was an online course. Whatever it was, I made sure to do it for 25 minutes a day. Think about it. That's only 1.7% of your entire day. And I'm just realizing there's a typo right there. It's supposed to say your day, not you day. That's fine. Moving forward. The point is, a little bit every day will get you where you want to go because, we all get busy and then we put it off. And then maybe we'll only be, working on our book or our course once a week, and we don't want to do that. So even if it's just a little bit and you don't feel like doing it, just tell yourself 25 minutes, that's it. I'm done. I'll close the book. And that's what I would do. And chances are, once you start doing it, you'll actually enjoy yourself and you'll maybe end up, doing it for an hour. Number 2, pay for courses, books, and other learning material. The fact is, when we pay for something, we value it so much more. An example, when I was in college, there was a gym at my school, and I would never go. Why? It was free, it was there, it just wasn't really important to me. I didn't have an incentive. So I went out and I signed up at Boston Sports Club, which was really expensive compared to what I'm used to paying. And guess what? I would go 5, 6, even 7 times a week. I would take the classes, I would, use the amenities, and that's because I felt like I had to. I had to get my money's worth. So point is, we value things when we pay for them. So pay for your online coding resources. Third, build something you're passionate about. We all have different interests. Maybe you like bird watching. Maybe you love fantasy football. Maybe you really like chess. Whatever it is, build something that relates to what you're passionate about. Trust me, when you do that, the chances of you finishing it are probably 10 times as high. So maybe you depending on what you're learning, of course, build a website. Build some kind of web application with Ruby on Rails or Python and Django. Or maybe you're doing something with a mobile app. Build a little mobile app. Whatever it may be, build something that you're passionate about. Because you're going to do what it takes to get that done when you really, really care about something. And lastly, don't let naysayers get you down. When I first began teaching myself how to code, I had a lot of people tell me that they didn't think I could do it, that it wasn't a good decision for me, that maybe I just really wasn't thinking things through. And these just weren't any people. These were family, these were friends, professional acquaintances or colleagues. And, maybe some of them didn't even, their intentions were in the right place. They didn't mean to cause any harm or anything. They just were looking out for my well-being. But you can't let people distract you, no matter what you're trying to do. If it's coding or if it's something else. If you really want to learn something, you want to pursue something, there's going to be people that are going to, purposefully or not purposefully block your path or try to block your path. Just keep running your race, look ahead, look at the finish line, and focus on, what your gut is telling you to do. You can't listen to these other voices all the time. Sometimes it is good to listen to other people, of course. Okay, so those are my 4 things that I would like to advise people that are first starting learning how to code. If you head over to my website at learntocodewith.me, you can download the full list of advice and strategies I give beginners learning how to code. Thanks for watching.